All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about a brand new AI agent that's looking to solve one of the biggest, most annoying bottlenecks in product design. It's called Vera, and it's basically a design ops navigator for your whole team. But to really get why this matters, let me ask you a question. Let's say your team just wrapped up a new design. How long, realistically, does it take to get a solid, expert-level review from a senior UX researcher? Just think about that for a sec. Yeah, for most teams, we're talking hours. Hours of a really expensive expert's time, clicking through everything, checking all the details. And, a lot of the time that feedback can feel kind of subjective, right? It changes depending on who you ask. It's just a huge drag on actually getting things shipped.
And that's exactly where Vera steps in. It's built to be like an on-demand UX expert that gives any designer an instant second opinion, right when they need it. First, it uses the incredible multimodal vision of Gemini, that's Google's AI, to see and understand everything in the design, the layout, the words, the buttons. Then an agent dives into a specialized knowledge base, which is basically a hand-curated library of UX best practices. And finally, it puts what it sees together with what it knows to give you a critique that's grounded in real data, always citing its sources.
Hi there, so let's start with the live demo of Vera. So I just asked her what can you do, so we can get a brief overview of the capabilities of Vera. So it told me that it could critique designs, provide answer to UX questions, and it has a own knowledge base apart from tier 1 and tier 2 because this is embedded in a RAG system. So why don't I ask one more question, like why should our design team use Vera? So let me wait for 2-3 seconds while. Okay, so it can ensure compliance quality, boost efficiency, maintain consistency, and provide actionable feedback. Okay, so I have a project here from our fellowship that I'm working on. So actually I can take a screenshot and ask her to critique. So for instance, when I take a screenshot, review the user experience. So actually I have here an example that's already done. Okay, review this for me. So it takes refactor the try me in the header to ensure it's appropriate weight. So not bad. So you see there's two join wait lists. It's telling me to fix this. Yeah, so anyway, that's like it can critique design. Yeah, give actionable feedback. We have a RAG system and activity, like what's going on, reinforcement learning, like it can evaluate the performance, the evidence. Actually, we also have a playbook here, pre-built playbooks that we can use now, like that. So let's paste the Figma URL here. Also, like we can export the comments if we paste a Figma URL. Let me export the comment. Let me wait for, okay, let me check the file. Oh, we have 5 comments here. Yeah, just now. Okay. Yeah. So this is a multi agents working in parallel and sequential.
Think about it. When you can find a major accessibility problem instantly, you fix it before engineering wastes a single second writing code for it. Every single designer, from the intern to the principal, suddenly has an expert partner they can talk to anytime. This frees up your actual senior researchers to focus on the big, tricky, strategic problems instead of doing routine checks. And the end result? Well, you ship better, more inclusive products, and you do it a whole lot faster.